Hi, in this video we'll see the various types of sorting done in Tableau worksheet. So what are different types of sorting? That is Quicksort, sorting by pills, sorting by toolbar, sorting by shortcut method, and you can also clear the different sorts. Let us see those one by one. I'm in the workbook that is named as sorting, and I've created a Quicksort, Quicksort 2. These are different worksheets which I've created. The database which I've taken is the same global superstore, that is 2017. If I expand this, you can see that 2017, that's the order. Now in this place I'll just show you how to work on the quick sort. So in the columns I've taken the category, and in the rows I've taken sum of sales. Now if you see, they are not sorted it properly. If I want to sort it quickly from this place, I can just keep my cursor at this place, and if you see, there are small 3 dots which are given here. Okay, so if I click on the first time, it will sort in the descending order. If I click on the small dots again, it will sort in the ascending order, and the third time if I click on this place, it will clear the sort. So first one stands for descending, second is for ascending, and third one stands for the clear sort itself. So that is very quick sort. So that is one example. Another example of quick sort is I have swapped the fields from this place. Category was earlier on the top and the sum of sales were down. So how do I swap the fields? You can just click on this button here and it will swap. You see, I'll just click on this button and it will swap here. Otherwise, the shortcut method to swap the fields is Control W and Control W. So it will keep on swapping. So here what I've shown is, I've shown you how to sort the columns. Here I'll show you how to sort this chart itself. Now I'll do the same method. I'll click on this place, and if you see this clear sort, if I click on this one, it says as descending order, and it says as ascending order, and the third one it says as clear sort. So these are two examples, are known as quick sort also. The next one I have, how do I sort it from the toolbar? Okay, sorting from the toolbar. I have this data where there I have, in the rows I have categories and the subcategory. In the columns I have sum of sales. Now if I want to sort this data, if I want to sort it with the help of some, let's say, toolbar, what I can do is I can simply select this sum of sales, and on the top you can see there's sort by ascending, sort by descending. So if I click on this sort by ascending, now if you see, the data is sorted in the ascending order for each category, each group. If you see, if I want to sort it by descending, I can just click on this place and it will be sorted in descending order itself. So from the toolbar, these are the methods by which you can do the sorting part, right? There's one more method. If you want to sort it from the pill, now these are known as pills, this is known as pill. If you want it sort from the pill, you can just simply select this field. Right now if you see, the data is not sorted properly. Now if I click on this drop down and if I say as sort, so it will give me a dialog box which says sort by category. And how do you want to sort it? By default what it will do is, it will sort order by ascending. If I select as descending, and the other options if I don't select, it will sort by alphabetical order. If I click on apply, okay. So what will happen is, if you observe here, that is technology, office supplies, and there's a furniture. So they are sorted out in the descending order. Same way, if I click on this drop down, again if I say as sort, and now if I say as ascending, if I click on apply, okay. So if you see, a furniture, office supplies, and the technology, so they are sorted in the ascending order itself. Now suppose if I want to go for the advanced sort, so you can just simply click on this sort button here, and it says based on the data source order you can sort it. Right now I have only one data source, that is orders, so I cannot do anything here. I can also sort it by alphabetical order, and the third one I have by fields. So even those fields which are not displayed at the backend, still you can sort it by those. Suppose if you say I want to sort based on the profit, okay, the field should be as profit, and I want to sort it based on the sum. I can select that, click on apply, and click on OK. So these are sorted out based on the profit. So since we cannot see that, and if you want to see that, we can just bring this profit here. I'll just bring this profit option here, and I can drag and drop it in the labels. Okay, so in the labels, now if you observe here, this is based on the profit. So this is 161924. The profit is getting decreased. Why? Because I have brought the profit in the labels. Labels will give you this labels, and you can see they are in the descending order. All these profits are in the descending order again. The highest one is in the earlier given, right? So I'll just remove this as profit from this place. Same way, this is nothing but known as sorting from pill. If you want, you can just click on this drop down, and you can also use the option as sorting again, and you can do the same thing again. If you want to do a manual sorting, you can select the options from this place, and you can just sort it as by selecting as up and down from this place. So I'll just click on cancel. Now after inserting a sort, if you want to clear the sort, click on this drop down again and you can see this one and you can click on this clear sort. How do you come to know whether it is sorted or not? When you select the pill and if you have sorted that thing, you can see, yeah, you can see this one will be as given as sort option. If I click on this drop down, select as alphabetical descending, okay, and if you see, that's a descending sort which is given at this place. So whenever you do a sorting, a small icon will come which will say whether it is a descending or ascending sort which is given, right? And the last one I can show you how do you sort from marks card. So if I go to this place, sorting from marks card. Now what I've done is I've added sum of sales and subcategory in columns and rows. Next is I've taken sum of profit. So I've brought this profit into this color part and they are given in this place. So the highest profit will be given in the blue color here itself and the lowest profit will be given in the yellow color. Now if I want to sort it based on the color part, okay, if you see it is already sorted, the yellow portion is at the bottom. Now what if I want to go in the opposite way? If I click on this drop down, I'll not get the option for the sort at this place. I can simply select this and click on this descending order like this, or I can click on this ascending order. So you see it is selected as ascending or descending order. Okay, I'll select this one first, select this as descending order, or I can select as ascending order. So you have to select this sum of profit and then you have to go for the sorting part, and this is the way you can work for the sorting. Why this one is different? Because I have selected as sorting from the marks card. This is known as marks card. Inside marks card I can use different categories, color, size, label and so on, right? So I hope you're able to understand how do you work on the sorting part in your Tableau worksheet. That's all for this video.